you at the top class. My eye gets hey, you be guy, auntie, you be guy. You chop. If you no chop, I go find food chop. You dey back. Charlie, this life inside. All what if you do be say, Charlie, you go day your line inside. You day your lane inside that Charlie, everything will go on give you. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind. As I kind your screen top again. This be Celebrity Jawa. Charlie, make I talk you something. If you not subscribe to the YouTube channel, I dey flow you right now. Say go subscribe. You subscriber, everything be away they go on for what? Entertainment inside. Anything be away they try for any celebrity in life inside. Me Flamboyant Lifestyle, I will can't talk you because I don't can't talk you. I know broad way will can't talk you. Everybody talk you say subscribe. I they watch you. Yeah. Where the place you they watch now? I know say they watch for house, you they watch for workplace, every place. You they wrote up the go house. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Subscribe. You now the top class. Yeah, you now. Tell them we did the street talk today now. Something come up. The thing when you come out for the street talk today, you know be easy. Make I flow you because I don't flow you. I no bro go flow you. Make I talk you what happening for what the street talk. At the free amount, that's why they can't talk you. Charlie, they say Ghanaian cause shake online as Sarkodie admit defeat to Dr. UN for fake award. Yesterday now we did around 12 o'clock. We did now when Sarkodie can release some track B. They say give me way. Charlie, the title the way the title they sound, give me way. We don't say maybe give me way now. Sarkodie they can't talk something. We don't know because it be controversy. The song when they drop no, Sana. The song will be about the Dr. UN award now. He say he catch that man now. You go slap or you go give him buy him mad. You go give him back slap. They will go give him back slap. He say in Sarkodie pan where you go BT. The things you do for Ghana music inside no problem. You can't give him an award. You go buy 2 CD flags. Flags in the guy say you no be 2 CD. Sarkodie say the last time you go busy and I do 1 CD 50 pesos. He say when you can't give him, you go spray. You don't say if you go spray or you be dust way take more than the things where you can't take give him. Sarkodie say you catch him. You talk for the track inside, bro. Me, you don't say me I see the track. He say he catch him and you go beat him. When you say he be hard guy, you Sarkodie, how you go fit talk for the track inside say you be hard guy, but you catch him there you go tata and soon. You be hard guy with the last time. See what your man do your boy. Your boss, he say, hey, the way your man do your boy is busting the plaster. And you tell like 50 CDs plaster where they take me inside. You be hard guy, why you no go? I know the thought say go do violent. You be hard guy, you come the internet and say, hey, you Stonebwoy. You believe when you come beat my boss, then things, if they fear the Stonebwoy go pull gun. Stonebwoy, they smart and they pull gun there or something. But if they talk say, Charlie, violence there, you know good. But somebody we know say, you can't accept the defeat there. It be you now your problem. Masako the next time pan there. If someone send you message say award pan there, Charlie for take about to say hey, you be Dr. UN in son or Dr. UN in bro or Dr. UN in uncle way they can't do me again. Hey, Miss Aquadia pan way they do me so. And the boy the man to you know false. You know false. Hey, see the way you do that thing, the way you mold the flags and thing. Hey. You know be easy. Somebody say you get him, you will beat him. You say it will be hard guy, you will beat him. We stand there now, another thing to come pop up. The thing when you pop up there, the rebel manta. You know you want a striker, Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan is something come up again. The thing when you come up with there, make I talk you. Your ears they eat you. Wait, make I talk you. Spy me. Asamoah Gyan and a beautiful girlfriend step out for the first time after divorce saga between his wife, Gifty. We don't know when we see Asamoah Gyan plus informal girlfriend, like in girlfriend being picture. They go meet for the Asamoah Gyan in club, this one in sports for Osu 2018 inside the June inside. When my picture come out, the picture come out, rumor say Asamoah Gyan in girlfriend is of this girl where Asamoah Gyan one left in wife, you know, the beautiful wife in the gift, you know, go where they get. Hey, today my picture come out. The picture will come out, you know, they carry on pencil. Yeah, that defender, blaster defender, and that guy with every day they give him suli, yeah, they run village running. You don't do anything, give blaster. They run, so if you run, they run like horse. You run and then they play the ball small, and then you can't pass. You fully defender. If mommy die, no way. Asamoah Gyan, then this one, Atala no go appear for the funeral. Hey, the way Asamoah Gyan they get, Charlie, the city they no be usual. They post. Some person today that my body when a good picture, they say, then you be so of this woman, this fair girl. I don't know what fair girls do, women. I don't know, say, so of them they blink or hey, my party be talking me something. talk me say fair girls say you dey room plus them and wey dem give light off and you go fit see them. You know they hear light. Wey I talk say you be foolish boy pa. He say nah, fair girls dem be so na because fair girls today they talk say fair girls dem dey take get one eye. Fair girls no they take them get one eye. You know they take them bobra. So as I'm I sure say some of that fair girl, you take in fairness, no, attract you, maybe go take her for some place. Hey, as a hey, but make I talk you something, brother man. Your wife be your wife. If you respect your wife, you marry her, you marry. If you don't go take her, they just get them things, you know, tell them what they go do you. What they go do you? They don't go do you anything. This girl where they have the good picture because they tell you that means something they go on. Hey, brother man, you don't love her things. Hey, as a fair things go kill man. I swear, wallahi. Yeah, fair things. You dey blink. Bra. Charlie, I love you. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. Charlie, I talk you already say subscribe. You know subscribe, but you now you make your one. Subscribe, do things. Subscribe anything that way they go on me Flambo. I will come talk you. I love you. Make sure say you go pray always. Make prayer, make the basic need for your life inside. Pray every day and all your problems, everything where they hear, God will do give you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Stay blessed.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say, Bomaden na hwe Too Much GH. On say me kan ye nyane, bone pa na kase pe wo wi ase ya asonde. Asonde nti na Adam, wo hu nyame ye no nyame no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade. Kat won na bomaden na be hwe Too Much GH. Be hwe na subscribe. Bomaden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe. O subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura.